welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove green screen background in DaVinci Resolve. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to remove green screen background in DaVinci Resolve, all you gotta do is simply go to DaVinci Resolve. Once you're in DaVinci Resolve, you need to get logged in into your account. After you have done this, you need to use the 3D keyer that is in the edit page or delta keyer that is fusion page. So once you have done this as well, you can simply apply the effect. You can select the green color with the eyedropper, often under Open Effects Overlay or Background Color, and then refine the matte using Despill for green edges and matte finish for clean edges and details. The process involves sampling the green, adjusting settings like Despill, and fine-tuning the mask for a clean separation, allowing your new background to show through. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.